Picture this. You're on your way home and the GPS says road closed and sends you down to a detour. Today's video, that's what this is. One of life's little detours, River Road. I was really shocked and amazed when it came to this road. Now, I understand this is just a turn, but it just made me so surprised at these mountains that came out of nowhere. See all the cholla cactuses here?
Canal, got water in it. No one does not.
Look at this cactus. It's all in bloom.
Yeah, he's got a lot of arms too. A couple of birds on him. Little road discovered by a detour with some beautiful views on this road of the mountains surrounding it.
Look at these mountains in the back here. Huge, beautiful.
Little bridge. This area is nice. And this is on the reservation as well, so because we actually do live right next to a reservation. Weight limit, 5 tons. One-lane bridge. No construction or commercial trucks. Goes off in that road over there. Goes to some houses. You can see some water down there. This might be the Gila River. There's some water there.
A lot of water out
Like
here.
a little park or something. Closed off though. Like a pond or something?
It's part of the Gila River Interpretive Trail. It's open.
The Gila River Interpretive Trail or something like that?
Interpretive.
What?
Interpretive.
Interpretive Trail.
The trail was created to help visitors understand the history, culture, and the relationship that the Akimo, Aotam, Pima, the Peeposh, Maricopa peoples have with the Gila River.
Like a little park. How about that? Didn't know this was here.
And the Gila River Interpretive Trail hours are usually Thursday to Sunday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Pretty neat. That's the way we came. And this is the way we're going. Trail right there. Oh, look, there's a little building. Little building right there. Wherever that goes. Further onto the reservation, I guess.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.
You want to pop in?